Okay, so hi all. Um, so the class starts another 8 minutes. So we have uh, Ostap, Andre, Bara, Daniel, Dong, Elvira, Ivang, Irena, Catherine, Natsia. Okay, so Vera, Karavika. So hi all. So hope all of you can see me and hear me clearly. So kindly confirm me that. So hi Amina, Andre. Hi. Um, so at 6:30 I will start sharing the screen, okay? So we are going to talk about culture. So I would like to know from which place you are, all of you are from, and what are you studying? You can let me know. We still have 6 minutes left to start. Russia, good. Ukraine. I come from Ukraine, very good. Istanbul, Turkey, good. Russia, Czech Republic. That's great. From Germany, Russia. Okay, so my name is Akshaya and I'm from India. So I live in the southern part of India, and I'm a computer science engineer, and I also hold my postgraduate degree in human resource management. So for the past 10 years, I have been into teaching, and initially I started my career in IT industry. So now I'm into teaching. So I hope all of you are studying, I think. I was born in Japan. Okay, could you type your name? Um, Arthur, good. Welcome to all. Hi, Daniel, Diana, Anja, Gabriel. Good. Dong. We have 35 participants today. Ostap. Yes, Ostap. Ostap, you can type it in the chat box, or you can ask me a question. Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, so you are the smallest. We study in 6th grade. That's good. Questions, 6th grade. Okay, so now we are going to talk about culture around the world. Okay, so okay, cool. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, end of the session we will Joseph. I'm not sure. Okay, so end of the session we will again go with our conversation. Okay, so okay, so today we are going to take a virtual trip around the world and talk about culture. Okay, see, I'm getting Ukraine. Okay, okay, so now let's stop typing in the chat box and let's continue the class. Okay, end of the class we will type it again. Martina, Arthur, everybody got it? Okay, end of the class we can introduce ourselves again. Okay, I'll give you time. Okay, okay, you need not type. Okay, now let's concentrate. Okay, okay, so now everybody, okay, so think about your country. Okay, so what is one thing that is famous in your country? Okay, and think about your city. What is one thing, special thing about your city? I want you to type it in the chat box and I want you to let me know. Okay, now you can type it in the chat box. Pizza, food. So from which country? You need to type your country, which what is famous, and your city, which is famous. Turkey foods, Russia, good. China, panda, Philippines. Okay, so so Ukraine famous because of sea. I'm from India. Yeah, good. So what is famous in your place? I need to tell. I want you to tell. Taj Mahal in Russia. See, what I want to say is your country. Okay, so for example, India. I would say one thing that is famous is Taj Mahal. So India hyphen Taj Mahal, and I'm from Chennai. Okay, Chennai famous thing is temple. Okay, so like that you need to type. Okay, you love TikTok, Martina. Dobris, good. Bara, that's good. Czech Republic, soccer and hockey, that's good. I'm from Ukraine, but I'm currently in Dubai. So literally, Burj Khalifa. Okay, there is the Royal Palace. Good. Snow in Russia. That's good. Vienna, I love TikTok. See, I don't want to hear if you love TikTok or not. You need to tell me what is famous in your city and what is famous in your country. See, why can't we speak? Elena, there are 47, nearly, more number of students. Okay. So if it is one to one, you will be able to speak. But since there are more number of students, it is not, I cannot allow all of them to speak. Okay. My nickname is Ukraine. Okay. So now, okay. So we are, each place in the world has a special culture. Okay. So what we are going to do is match the words to their definitions to describe the idea of culture. And then we will find out what is culture. Okay. So what you're going to do is, there are 6 pictures given on your left hand side. You can see it. And 6 few words, sentences, okay, their definitions. So things people have done for many years. What does it describe? Type the answer. Okay. So things people have done for many years is called as traditions. Correct. B. Things some people feel are true. So what does it describe? I want you to type it. Belief. Beliefs. Okay. So yes, things some people feel are true is they describe as beliefs. Okay. Third one. Things people do because these actions are normal in their country. What does it describe? Third one. Habits. Habits. Trisha. Okay, so many have said it as habits. Okay, good. So yes, that is called as habits. Things people do because these actions are normal in their country is says habits. Expressions of feeling and beauty such as painting, sculptures, or photos. What does it refer? Arts. Okay. So good, correct. Special days for celebrating important ideas. What does it refer? Holidays. You should not type me too. You should type the answer. Okay, special days for celebrating important ideas is described as holidays. Last one is words people use for communication. What does it refer? Don't type it as 3. You need to type the answer. Language. Yes, it is language. Correct. So meanwhile, I have, okay, so don't type it in the question and answer box. Okay, so I want you to type it in the chat box. Okay, so I see many of you have done it. So that's okay, but don't type it in this one. Okay, thank you for all your answers. Okay, so now the next one. Okay, so culture shock. Okay, so what is culture shock? Does anyone have any idea? Any of you have any idea? You can type it in the chat box. Culture shock. What does culture shock mean? You can type the answer. What does culture shock mean? Andre, you type it in the chat box, Andre. You have given in the typed it in the question and answer. Okay, habits in other countries. We eat some culture shock. When you go to Texas and they kill you. When you go in a differently, I don't know. Okay, that's okay. If you don't know, it's fine. No, that's what I'm asking. Do you have any idea? Strange traditions, something strange, culture differences. Okay. So all of you imagine you are visiting a new place and see something, you're seeing something surprising. Okay, so or imagine being away from home and you feel lonely because everything feels different. Okay, so that is culture shock. You're going to a new place and you feel lonely. It's not like what you are being in home, so that is called as culture shock. uh, yeah, something that you do not saw before. Yes. See, type Lisa, type it in English, Lisa. Okay, so how can we prepare people for culture shock? Okay, so first thing, you can study about different cultures, meet people from different countries, share your culture with someone. Okay, so if you study about different cultures, yes, different countries, you get to know about their culture. How do you meet people from different countries? For example, if you're studying in a school, international school, you get to know students from different countries. So by that way, you get to know about their habits and other things. And if you have friends in other country or thing, something like, you can share your culture with them. Okay, so let me know if you have any ideas. How can we prepare for a culture shock? You can let me know your ideas. I will wait, Arthur. Like fire dancing, open mind. Yes. Travel, that is good. Yes, you travel to different places, you get to know about culture shock. If you have no idea, it's okay. Read about the country, yes. Read about the place you're going, yes. I have friends in Japan, yes. Why you have a dot on your face? You are asking me, Maria? Whom you are asking? I have a dot in my face. You are saying in my between the eyebrows. Are you referring that? Maria, are you asking about the dot between the eyebrows? Okay. See, that is a bindi. It is not a dot. In India, we people, we keep the bindi. So that is not a dot, Maria. Okay. So now let's move on to the next one. Uh, okay. So, okay. So now, around the world, let's take a virtual trip around the world. We will visit one country from each continent. Okay. So think what you already know about each country. What do you hope to learn? Okay. So, first continent, Asia. Country is Kazakhstan, and famous tradition is falconry and hunting with eagles. And the favorite food is uh, bisbermak, five fingers, boiled meat, and pasta eaten by hand. Okay, so the popular holiday is Nayurs, a celebration of spring with family, friends, and food. Most spoken language is Kazakh and Russian. Have you ever visited Kazakhstan? Do you know more fun facts about this country? So let me know in the chat box. Okay, in Kazakhstan. That's okay. We'll get to know about this thing. So next place. Okay. So now the continent is Africa. Okay. Uh, country is Madagascar. Famous tradition is face painting for beauty and skin protection. They do for that. Favorite food is koba, sweet street food with banana, vanilla, peanut, and honey. That is the favorite food. Okay. Popular holiday. I get more chat now. Okay, Madagascar is cool. Yes. So popular holiday is Alhamari Bay, a traditional New Year celebration for 2 days in March. Most spoken languages Malagasy and French. So, have you ever visited this Madagascar? Do you know more fun facts about this country? Let me know. See, if it is no, it's okay. If you know any place regarding that, any information, you can let me know. Okay. No, I don't. Good. No. Okay. So the next slides. Okay, now continents. North America. You see the pictures. See, the country is Mexico. The famous tradition is breaking a pinata at children's parties. That is, candies and toys are hidden inside. Okay. Favorite food is tamales, meat or vegetable filling inside corn flour, wrapped in corn or banana leaves. Popular holiday is Day of the Dead. It's called like Dia de los Muertos, a celebration to remember ancestors. Most spoken language is Spanish. So, let me know any fun facts about this country, or have you ever visited Mexico? Let me know. We celebrate the Spain Day in Spain. That's good. No. Love the colors. I already eat. I know that you say I can't understand you. Sasa, you can't understand me? Should I speak slower? Sasa. Okay. Uh, okay. Now I will speak slowly. Is this fine, Sasa? My speed of speech is okay for you now? Thank you, Sasa. Okay. So next one is okay, continent is South America. Country is Brazil. Famous tradition here is capoeira, a martial art style that combines acrobatics, dance, and music. Favorite food is a traditional cheese bread rolled into small balls. Pao di Cujo. Um, Popular festival is Carnival, 4 day celebration with dancing in the street and lots of food in the spring. Most spoken languages is Brazilian Portuguese. So let me know about any fun fact about this country or about this place. Rio de Janeiro, okay, fine. Capital city. Sasa, let me know. Do you know any fun thing about this country? No, that's okay, Sasa. Okay, so the next one. Okay, so now the continent is Europe, country is Ireland. The famous tradition is step dancing and jigs, energetic dances with jumps and stomps. Okay, and their favorite food is stew, meat, potatoes, carrots, and onion cooked in a thick sauce. That is their stew is their favorite food. And popular holiday is Halloween, a holiday for dressing up to scare bad spirits away. Most spoken languages here is English and Irish. So, okay. So, about this place, you love Halloween, that's fine. See, I would want you to tell about this place. I've never been to Ireland. Ireland, popular pub. This place is not in Europe. Okay. So, continent Europe. Okay. Ireland. Ireland continent. Okay. So now the next continent is Australia. Uh, Country is New Zealand. So the famous tradition here is dancing the haka, a what dance with scary faces now used for popular celebrations. Okay. So their favorite food is pavlova, dessert with meringue, fruit and whipped cream. Popular holiday is Waitangi Day, national holiday to celebrate the founding of New Zealand in 1840. Most spoken languages are English and Maori. So, have you ever visited New Zealand? Ireland continent. So, one famous place about this one. Okay, all of you. Okay, see here. Uh, okay, see if you are. The cake is yummy. Okay, see. Ireland is a island country in the North Atlantic Ocean and is a part of the continent of Europe. Okay, so the Republic of Ireland shares the island of Ireland with the UK region of North Ireland. Okay, so now next one is continent Antarctica. Okay, so Antarctica, there are no countries in Antarctica and no people live there permanently. The famous tradition is nothing but scientific research. The favorite food is pemmican, dried meat for energy. Popular celebration is Ice Talk, a music festival every summer at the McMurdo Research Station. Most spoken languages are English and French. See, most of you have known, I think you people know about Antarctica. So let me know a fun fact about Antarctica, this continent. Antarctica is cold. Ice are melting, cold Antarctica. No one can live there so long. Yes, it's a very cold place. I know Antarctica. It's fine. Okay, so now comes the quiz time. Okay, so so let me see who is typing the answer first. Okay, first picture. Which continent is dedicated to scientific research? Type the answer. Antarctica. Srishta. So you have typed first thing. See, when I ask you to type only, you have to type. Okay. So, okay. So where do people use face paint to protect their screen? Okay. So second one. Okay. So people use. Okay. So second one, where do people use face paint to protect their screen? Skin from the sun is Madagascar. Third one, which country has a famous day of the death celebration? So third one is Mexico. Yes. Fourth one, which country do people make faces while doing a war dance? Fourth one. I want the country name. New Zealand. Fifth one, where do people eat cheesy bread balls? I would type the country name for the fifth one. Where do people eat cheesy balls? Fifth one. Don't type the number. Please type the country name. Brazil. One has given blood. 5. See, don't Mexico. Brazil. Brazil. Brazil is the right answer. Sixth one. Where did the holiday of Halloween begin? Ireland. Ireland. Seventh one. In which country do traditional hunters use eagles? Last one. Kazakhstan. Okay. Yes. So now, uh, okay. So imagine, see, imagine we are going to talk about your country's culture. Okay. So imagine you are a tour guide in your country. Where will you take tourists? Which food will you share? Which holiday will you tell them about? Okay. So is there anything else people should know about your country and culture? Please type it in the chat box. Please type it in the chat box. Indian culture. See, I want you to, what you people are doing is, you are just typing one. Shut up it for me. Arthur, what happened? Russia. Russian culture and read good. See, I don't want to type Raven. No typing is there and all. Like you type about your country. Philippines have beautiful beaches. That is good. So you need to type it like that. They are cool. They should eat soup. Good. You eat protein. Okay. Yes. Acropolis. Italy food pasta. Holiday is in mid-August. That's good. Alcohol, vodka, ninth main, Russia. So give me the hot dog. Hockey. Fine. Okay. So the next one is, if you have any questions, you can type it in the chat box. Okay. So we have come to the end of the class. If you have any questions, please type it in the chat box. So let me see if you have any questions. So you want to go Antarctica, okay? So I think okay. So I think we have come to the end of the session. So thank you so much all for coming to the class today. So we'll probably see you again in the next class. Thank you all. No questions. Welcome. Good life. So all of you stay safe at home. Bye. Bye, Vlad. Bye bye. Whatever. Stay safe. All of you stay safe and take care.